Hello everyone, this is Ja. In this video, I would love to share with you my detox week. And why I do detox? That's a good question because detox can help me to get more energies first, right? And the second is better sleep. Third, glowing skin. And the fourth, sharp mind. And also I will lose some weight definitely because can you imagine in our intestines, if you don't wash them, the intestinal villas, they gonna stuck together and that's gonna stop you to absorb nutrients. When your body, if they feel like they don't get enough nutrients, they will send a message to your brain. It's like, I'm starving, I need food, so you keep eating. So that's not good. That is why I do every 3 months I will do detox. And in this video I will show you how I do that, why I do that, and also I will share some basic knowledge what is low GI food. Alright, let's go! Also, I made a plan for whole group of people who do detox with me, and this is the grocery shopping list. Include fruits, vegetables, and some protein. And this is the recipe for detox juices. And let's go to Wegman to shop all the beautiful veggies. They're so colorful, healthy, and even just look at it, so make me happy. And this is the rules for detox week: no alcohol, no caffeine, and no dairy. And eat low GI food. And I will explain what is low GI food next. Eating low GI food can help you to keep at fat burning zone and also help to keep your blood sugar steady. And this is the detox kit that I'm using. When I get home after grocery shopping, that's the time to prepare my snack packs, because during the detox, we don't let people feel starving and hungry. We can keep eating colorful, healthy vegetable and fruit. And I bought some zip bag, which is still washable and they can put in the dishwasher. So I put all my favorite veggies and fruits together, blend them, and also prepare a small pack of nuts. And I'm ready for the week. In a detox week, every morning, let's drink some fiber powder with 8 ounces of water. And the fiber powder tastes so good and it's really milky, and they help to suck all the toxic in your intestines. And also don't forget to take 2 release pills, and that can help to let every toxic wash out from your body. And don't forget to drink 8 glasses water. Omelette is my favorite breakfast, so luckily this program we can eat some protein, and this is my omelette of my first days. Mushroom is my favorite. And the other seafood is our best buddy during the detox. So we can have some white meat like seafood and the chicken breast. And I use air fry to cook my food, and it's super healthy. We don't need very much oil. And this is the salad. The very natural dressing is lemon. Alright, look at the shrimp. They're done. And just put some shrimp on your top of your salad, and it's really refreshing. And I put some olive oil with the salad too. And this is the fruit salad with some shrimp, and it's really tasty and very colorful. And at night, don't forget to take your liver cleanser pills. And this is the other favorite routine. I make some vegetable and fruit smoothie in the morning, and it can boost my energy, and also that got a lot of nutrients, vitamins in my body. I add some black sesame seeds and also protein shake in my smoothie, and they can keep me energetic for a whole morning. And it's only take 1 minute to make this delicious breakfast. and I will not feel hungry until like 3 hours later. This is the other healthy ingredients, chia seeds. It's really good for a lot of cardiovascular disease, and also it can keep hydrate in your body, and it can be mixed with any kind of beverage. Here, this is the other, my favorite seafood, salmon. Salmon has a lot of good omega-3, good for our body. And this is my meal for tonight. This is the other omelet recipe, so it's always a lot of different kind of peppers and onions. This is Rastili salmon burger meat, and they have done the seasoning, and the only thing I need to do just put on the stove and pan fry them, and they're super tasty. And I highly recommend this company. They ship different pack of seafood and also barbecue pack. Really good. And this is the other day's breakfast with avocado. And don't forget, tofu is the other great protein, and I love tofu so much, and I put on the stove and pan fry them, put some salt, and here is it mixed with some cucumber chili salad with vinegars and mix them. So I love spicy, so you can tell I put some spicy sauce on top and sesame seeds. This is the other smoothie recipe. I put some frozen berry blends and pineapple and also peach together and mix with some protein shake. So it tastes so good. So I can call it antioxidant drink. And this is the other chicken breast recipe. I feel like chicken breast can mix with everything, and they just give you really healthy protein. And also I'm a mushroom lover. I love mushrooms so much, especially shiitake mushroom. It tastes like chicken meat too, and I mix with them. So yum. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed that and learned something. So I host a regular detox group on Facebook, and if you're interested, let me know. Leave a message below, and I will add you to our group, and we encourage each other and also help each other. Okay, good night.